Experiencing difficulty in keeping an erection? Don't worry, it's completely normal to encounter occasional fluctuations in your sexual performance. However, if this issue is happening more frequently and is affecting your sexual life, it's recommended to consult with a health professional. Research has shown that 1 in every 5 men experiences some form of erectile dysfunction at some point in their life. The good news is that it's a common issue, and there are several ways to address it before giving up on your dating life. What is erectile dysfunction, ED? Before we dive in, let's first understand what's happening below the belt. According to a widely accepted definition, ED refers to the difficulty in achieving or maintaining an erection long enough to have sexual intercourse. This can occur due to various biological, medical, and psychological factors. However, an occasional penis that acts out of line should not cause alarm, and singular incidents do not fall under the category of erectile dysfunction. Only when the problem persists for 3 months or more, happening half of the time a man tries to achieve an erection, is it then classified as ED. What are the causes of erectile dysfunction? Several factors can lead to erectile dysfunction, including heart problems, high blood pressure, diabetes, obesity, or lifestyle habits like alcohol consumption that affect the blood flow. Anything that poses a risk to the blood vessels' functionalities can cause ED. Additionally, ED may have a psychological basis, and that any prolonged ED treatment should include psychological and emotional assistance. Anxiety or stress-related factors are almost always present alongside ED, either as a cause or a consequence. Therefore, ED is never entirely biological. There is always a psycho-emotional component that affects its onset or maintenance over time. What is natural Viagra? Natural Viagra refers to products derived from natural sources that can improve male sexual function. These supplements are available in pharmacies, and some herbal supplements have anecdotal evidence of success. However, it is crucial to do research before consuming any supplement. If you face occasional erectile issues, you could try taking a supplement. But if the problem is persistent, it's best to consult your doctor first. There are no medical guidelines recommending supplements to treat erectile dysfunction. Nevertheless, some botanical products and amino acid supplements have been studied and approved to treat ED. However, the success of these supplements is sometimes due to the placebo effect. However, there are known ones which are proven and tested. Here are 10 natural Viagra alternatives to try. 1. L-Arginine. L-Arginine operates on the same principles as Viagra by increasing the production of nitric acid in the body. This amino acid has been proven to assist in maintaining erections, according to the medical journal Neurology. It achieves this by relaxing and expanding blood vessels, allowing for a more reliable and steady flow of blood to the penis. Ultimately, this leads to a better and more regular sexual experience. 2. Maca. Use this Peruvian Viagra for real endurance. The root extract comprises macamides and macanes, which are unique phytochemicals, according to the journal Urology. These compounds increase hormone levels, boosting energy in both males and females. For men, it is a powerful aphrodisiac, which not only helps maintain erections but also increases seminal volume, sperm count, and motility. You may soon see the results of your endeavors. 3. Horny goat weed. This supplement is known for its undeniable sexual benefits. It is said that a Chinese goat herd discovered its power when he witnessed his goats becoming sexually aroused after consuming it. The compound called leucarin present in the supplement has been proven to stimulate nerves and increase testosterone levels by researchers at the University of Michigan. However, it is advised to avoid proximity with livestock after its consumption. 4. L-Tyrosine. This potent amino acid causes a significant increase in dopamine levels, a chemical responsible for pleasure enhancement, leading to a secondary aphrodisiac effect that enhances erections. However, be cautious as it also promotes metabolism and blood pressure. It is best to speak to your doctor before taking it, or it may cause redness in the face for unfavorable reasons. 5. Cordyceps. This extract from a mushroom has a unique component called fucose, also present in human breast milk, that can enhance testosterone levels and blood flow, making it a hot commodity for sexual health. Medical experts believe this natural sugar plays a major role in cell communication while also fostering blood flow to sexual organs, impeding the effects of aging. However, men who are single and looking for a good night's sleep should beware of consuming this extract as it may trigger arousal. It's better to avoid this before going on speed dates. 6. Rhodiola rosea. Rhodiola rosea is an adaptogenic medicinal plant that assists the body in managing stress levels. It operates on the dopamine system in the brain, which boosts sexual desire. Research suggests that Rhodiola rosea can also help minimize stress and fatigue, which are two significant contributors to reduced erection strength. 7. Korean ginseng. The purest Asian root form of Korean ginseng can enhance energy and strength by boosting the nervous system. Clinical trials have proven to be beneficial for men in terms of obtaining successful erections, increased sexual desire, and reduced stress levels. Therefore, even if you are not sexually active, you can still remain calm and relaxed. 8. Fenugreek. Fenugreek is a supplement that nursing mothers use to increase their milk supply. However, some men also take it to enhance their testosterone levels. Although there are some health benefits of fenugreek, scientific research on sexual function is limited, so it is advisable to be careful. Nevertheless, a small study published in a medical research journal found that taking 600 milligrams of fenugreek extract daily can improve sexual function in men. Therefore, it might be worth giving it a try if you are looking to enhance your sexual performance. 9. Saffron. Saffron, a commonly used spice that can be found in most kitchen cabinets, has aphrodisiac properties. Recent studies have discovered the potential of saffron to benefit people suffering from erectile dysfunction caused by antidepressants. According to the results, men experiencing antidepressant-related erectile dysfunction experienced significant improvements in their condition after taking 30 milligrams of saffron daily for 4 weeks. 10. Yohimbe. Yohimbe, a natural herb obtained from the bark of an African tree, is believed to be a natural alternative to Viagra due to its ability to increase blood flow to the penis. Though it is not as potent as Viagra, it is said to potentially alleviate erectile dysfunction and increase libido. It is important to note, however, that Yohimbe can have negative side effects such as anxiety, heart palpitations, and upset stomach. It is recommended to consult with a healthcare professional before using Yohimbe as a natural Viagra alternative. Making lifestyle changes such as exercising regularly, following a heart-healthy diet, and avoiding alcohol and smoking can also be helpful in managing the symptoms of ED. These changes can have a significant impact on one's ability to achieve and maintain an erection, whether you are taking Viagra or a natural alternative. It is important to keep in mind that alcohol and smoking can cause damage to the blood vessels and nerves responsible for producing a healthy erection. Therefore, adopting a healthy lifestyle is crucial to achieving optimal sexual health. As you can see, if you are looking for natural alternatives to Viagra, there are different options available. There are links in the description of this video if you need help finding these supplements. However, it's important to talk to a healthcare provider before taking any supplements claiming to treat erectile dysfunction, ED. They can help to identify any underlying medical condition causing ED and come up with a safe and effective treatment plan for you. Don't forget to subscribe to Cured by Earth to stay updated on natural remedy facts, and leave any natural cure-related questions in the comments section for future videos. If you found this information useful, please give it a thumbs up.